Listen to this! Listen to this, you fellows! You fellows, listen! General Grant chased the Rebs out of Richmond 4 days ago, and it's rumored that Lee's already surrendered.
The war's over.
Captain's papers. Get those Yanks out of here, quick. All right, you two, get this body out of here. Get him out of here, Davis. Party, get
Come on, let's
out of
move.
sight.
Come on. All right, come on, let's go.
Hurry it up, Mike. Hurry it up.
Captain Cagle?
Yes, sir.
Brevet Major Harris.
We've been expecting you, Major. Here's the warrant for the payroll.
Well, you've brought a very small guard for this much money.
There's no Rebs in 50 miles of it, sir.
What about Randall's Raiders?
We drove those bushwhackers clear out of Louisiana with their tails between their legs.
Well, all right. Hand it down.
Oh, where's the station agent?
He got taken sick all of a sudden. One of the boys took him back to camp. Where you going?
Back to the train?
Go ahead. But just stand beside it with your mouth shut. Then get on when it pulls out. I'll be watching you from this window.
Sign this receipt and get that money to your camp in a hurry.
Major, stop them. They're rebels. They shot the station agent.
What?
Well, get after them, you darn fools. They stole your payroll.
All right, yeah. Get out of here. Where are the boys? The rebels!
Lieutenant, ain't that a federal offense, breaking open them boxes?
Ain't that a beautiful sight? Makes you feel like a sore-eyed kitten with a whole basin full of milk.
Yeah, what a pity it don't belong to us. How much you figure it comes to, Vance?
$12,250.
Lieutenant, how about making that a neat round sum, say, $10,000? And us fellers dividing up the difference.
Why, you thieving river rat, the Army would shoot us for that.
Well, how'd they know about it? Who would tell?
I wouldn't, for one.
Me neither.
Look at us. A bunch of starved scarecrows. Whipped and dead broke. Ain't we got nothing coming out of this war except shriveled guts and saddle sores?
You got a mighty tempting argument. But I kind of doubt if it's legal.
It ain't legal, Vance, or moral. Confederacy can use that money a heap more than we can.
You're right. Tomorrow we're taking this to General Randall.
Well, we tried anyway. Let's get into this grub.
The regiments broke camp and moved out.
Yeah, but where to?
I don't know. The general said they'd wait for us right here.
Been away 8 days. Might have been attacked.
Or ordered away all of a sudden.
We better ride into Claysville and find out. What's your regiment, soldier?
5th Louisiana Rifles. Oh, what's left of them.
Where's Randall's outfit?
Well, all the cavalry disbanded 2 or 3 days ago. Scattered every which way so they wouldn't have to give up the horses. You fellas would be wise to do likewise before the Yanks come and confiscate them.
Wait a minute, what are you talking about? What's happened?
What's happened? You mean you ain't heard? General Lee surrendered to Grant 4 or 5 days ago. Appomattox Courthouse in Virginia.
Surrendered? You're crazy.
No, that's a fact, Lieutenant. All of us give up our guns in Shreveport last Monday. So the war's over. We can all go home, if we got one left to go to.
Well, now that the brigade's split up and scouted, how are we going to find the general?
That's just it, we can't.
We've got to try, Vance.
Why?
Why? To give him the money, of course.
I don't know. The surrender changes everything. We got to talk it over.
Take this money, Vance. Don't rightly belong to us.
Then tell us who it does rightly belong to.
Well, it belongs to the Confederate government, I suppose.
Confederate government? There ain't no more Confederate government. It's finished.
That's the truth, Brett. They'll probably hang Jeff Davis and throw all the others in prison.
Well, it must still be federal property.
You mean we ought to give it back to them? Like thunderation, we will.
I got a mini ball in my leg that's got to be paid for.
Your own brother nearly died of gangrene in a Yankee prison. Ain't that worth nothing to you?
Listen, Brett, we didn't steal this money. We took it in battle, fair and square. It's what they call spoils of war, like capturing a horse or anything else. We didn't know the war was over, and neither did the Federals. So it's still prize money.
And it's ours. You don't have to take your share if it sticks in your craw.
How do you feel about this, Ray?
What Vance says makes sense to me. And if we really got a right to it, we'd be plumb fools not to take it.
So it's settled. I got it all figured out. We got $1,750 apiece coming to us.
Oh, we like it back to Georgia with this. I'm gonna buy me a hog and a dog and a rocking chair. And we all three just gonna sit there and scrap.
Not us. We're gonna fix us up the best farm in East Texas, huh, Vance?
You bet. But first, I'm gonna get married. Connie's been waiting 4 years. Seems more like 40 to me. And now, instead of going back to her empty-handed, I got this money.
even sassy now if they licked us.
Not us, Mike. Maybe the South is licked, but not us. Still, it's smarter if we split up here and now. So long, Mike.
So long, Vance.
So long, Mother. If ever you get to Texas, you know where to find us.
Vance, I ain't ever gonna leave that rocking chair. Goodbye, Fred. So long, Gavin. Lots of luck. Goodbye, Sarge. Goodbye, Ray.